Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Tinytask and the intended GitHub release tag match, and that you have admin access to the machine. Once done, confirm system time and DNS, and disable VPN or proxy briefly to rule out routing. Then open your browser's developer tools and reproduce the 404. You want the exact request URL and response headers. This gives you the data to diagnose whether the missing file is a path problem, branch mismatch, or GitHub redirect issue. Next, you map that failing URL to the repository tree and the selected branch or release. Make sure the path and file name casing match exactly, because Git is case-sensitive and Windows masking can hide errors. Then test the raw file URL pattern. Replace blob with raw or use the releases /assets pattern, depending on what Tinytask expects. If the file is a release asset, confirm it exists and that the asset's ID or redirect is correct. This separates missing files from access or redirect problems. Finally, apply the fix that matches your diagnosis. If the path or tag was wrong, update Tinytask's config to the correct branch, release asset URL, or exact file name case, then re-upload the missing asset if necessary. Once updated, test again. Make sure caching is cleared so you don't see stale 404s. If problems persist, check GitHub API rate limits or CDN cache and retry after a short wait. One key tip: always replicate the exact raw URL in a new browser tab.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.